Well, what we're running in today, we've got a very quick video today because we're getting some Instagram stickers put on the car. Bang, we are here with the one and only J Gaming. Sorry, I forgot, that's your old name, mate. This is his little Fiesta. Once he gets his license, he's going to be modifying this. So that's going to be a nice little Fiesta project that he's going to be embarked on. The thing is with these, you've got so much room inside. I can't see halfway through it, but you feel more spacious in this compared to that. So these here are the stickers here that Josh has made. They're going to go there. He's going to get some cloth. Look at them run. Meow. Go. Do you think on like the black?
On the black bit?
On the black bit, yeah.
And you made me do a black bit?
Yeah.
On top of the black line, or?
You made me do a black bit, just put it on top of a black bit.
Don't worry about that.
You're welcome.
Thank you, mate.
Also the design helped having the gun on it.
Oh yeah, so this gun here that I designed, and I just ripped it off from the 007 the James Bond logo. Yeah, and I just chucked it on my little tee. But Josh has made some quite unique designs already, which is good. This is the first one with the double layers that you've made.
Mm-hmm.
There we go, and I'm trusting him with my Aston.
That might be a little bit high on one part, but it's fine.
Ah, that's alright. That's nice.
It's very waterproof and it'll go up to 105 degrees if it needs to.
What, Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Celsius.
105 degrees.
And minus 30, I think it is.
Minus 30, mad. Right. That's nice. That's really nice. So that's like a 2-minute video right there. Josh is going to start a little business. That's a pending in the moment. We're going to make that. I'm going to manage. I ain't going to manage shit, to be honest. I'm going to be designing some stuff. So
do all the hard work.
Yeah, Josh is going to do all the hard work. I've been designing. They look fantastic. I don't know if I can show it. There we go. Right. So we'll see you guys in another video.